How to improve Snapchat camera quality. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can improve the camera quality on the Snapchat. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, there are several things you can try to do to improve the camera quality on the Snapchat. So here I'm going to tell you about the some steps. So first of all, you have to clean the camera lens, and before opening the Snapchat camera, clean the camera lens with the modifier cloth to remove any smudges or dirt that may affect the quality of the pictures. And also you can use the stable network connection, because the stable network connection is essential for good quality snaps. And make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi or the cellular connections before taking pictures or the videos on the Snapchat. Also guys, you can use the external lenses that may attach external lenses to your phone's camera to enhance the quality of your snaps, and these lenses can be purchased online or at the camera store. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider sharing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.